How to fix login errors on Amazon. If you're having issue logging into your Amazon account, there could be a couple of reasons. First of all, you want to make sure your internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If it doesn't help you, then problem could also be with the app. So if you're using it on Android, you can long press the Amazon app icon, tap on the I button to come to your app info page, simply scroll down to the storage section and you can clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data. After you've done that, you can try to reopen the Amazon app and re-log into your account. Last but not the least, the reason why this could also happen is due to your incorrect credentials. So you want to make sure that your login details are actually correct. So go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address right here, tap on the continue button, and then after that you want to make sure to go ahead and then enter your password. If you forgot your password, you can tap on this forgot password button to reset it if you want to. But either way, this is the way on how you will be able to fix the login errors on Amazon. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.